What's up, guys? Welcome back for another one. Today we got another goodie from the good folks at Kemimoto. You're looking at their fork bag slash sissy bar bag slash handlebar bag slash swingarm bag. Yeah, depending on the kind of motorcycle you ride and your configuration on that motorcycle, this bag is flexible enough to put in a number of different places. I think it's a real handsome bag, old school, but certain things certainly stand the test of time. It's made of a nice TPU synthetic leather. It has a nice Velcro strap with a zipper. It's just one pouch, but you're looking at 11 inches long, 4 inches deep. Perfect for something like this, which is great if you got a bike like mine on my street bob and you're going on a long trip. You can just put the extra fuel bag in here, strap it to your sissy bar, and take it with you out of sight, out of mind. And again, it's a handsome bag. I don't think it's an eyesore on the motorcycle, but let's go take a look at the different places you could possibly put this.
So this is the obvious logical place where people think about bags like this, but like I said, my ST fairing comes so low it goes right down to the boots, and that's too low to mount this there. But without this kind of fairing, this would be a great bar, very convenient for the front of your forks. Another place you could put this, well, it could easily be your handlebar bag, whether on the inside or on the outside, you know, depending on your setup. Like I said, it fits nicely in there. Even with the ST fairing, I could tuck it in there and still tie it to the forks, but I wouldn't want to hide something like this. I kind of like the look. So you could rock it like this, or probably what most people would do, they would put it on the outside in case they had a passenger. But with these strings, what makes it real convenient, there's a lot of different places you can tie this thing off. And they also mention making it a swing arm bag. And you know, that's all for preference. Me personally, I don't know if I like strings hanging around the belt area, so it may be better on somebody else's motorcycle in this particular configuration than I would trust it with mine. But all in all, real nice bag. Like I said, if you're running your motorcycle without a fairing or anything, that might be the bag for you.
So after spending a few weeks with the bag, the two positions that I used the most was on the inside and the outside of the sissy bars. It just seemed like the most convenient location for me. And when I wasn't using the fuel bottle, I was using it to house my GoPro accessories, allowing me to keep it separate from the rest of my belongings. But the more time I spent with it, I realized this bag would be better off for somebody else. Simply because I have the saddlebags, I have my tank bag, and so I decided to go to our local bike night, find a good buddy of mine who has the kind of bike that I believe this kind of bag belongs on, and, well, I let him choose where he would put it.
It's on you? Wherever you think is best for you.
For me, probably here. Because I can still see everything.
Yeah, do that, bro. Tie it up.
And after finally selecting a location that worked good for him, he chose the handlebars, being able to keep everything close and accessible even while he was riding. So after he mounted it, we went for a ride, and I can tell you that he's been really happy with the bag ever since. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.